get in my party. Let's get this faggot on Fortnite. In the meantime, let's start the game. I want to get that new skin, but I don't know. I don't know. Right there. Alright, babe, you about to get on Fortnite. Fucking the game just started up. Shit. It'll be straight. Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. Over the hills we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha. I'm just playing. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh, jingle bells, remember that smells. Barnacle boy laid an egg. What if I just did that? Alright, what is this nigga want? He didn't even say nothing. Oh. Let's go to Swazi. No, I'm going to Tilted. So I want that accent. Last time I was in Tilted, I got 2 kills, and then I got cheated because somebody had like 1 million fucking shield. Like, dude, this is ridiculous. Oh, I want this chest right here. At this tower. Let me get the tower. Let me get the tower. Let me have the tower. I need the towers. Let me go to the tower since I'm at Tilted. Oh, what a fake. I'm dead. Oh my god. I hate people. Hate people. Rather kill myself than let him kill me. Hey. So, yeah. Let me call this nigga. So I know this nigga mic broke. I wonder, can he play Fortnite through his VR? Doubt it. I'm gonna be playing with Fag right here. I'm about to spam these 2 niggas. Then when Jerry comes back to the party, I'm gonna be like, bro, it was an accident. I ain't mean to show you. But if he's watching my stream, he would know that I spammed him on purpose with a little weak. I'm just fine. I'm not really good at this game, but hey. Are you sure you want to abandon this quest? What quest? Are you on yet?
I'm trying to go to your invitation, but it ain't letting me.
Why not?
Damn, fuck you. Are we playing with someone, or we just doing duo?
We might play with my uncle.
Oh no, we should. We can do duo. I think I know who you're talking about.
No. Oh, you talking about the one I was talking to you the other day?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. If you don't play with my uncle, you ain't got no skins, bro. Ready up. You need a mic. I'm streaming right now. You do?
Yeah.
Hey, press the PlayStation button. Press the PlayStation button.
PlayStation.
Did the game start up?
Yep.
Oh my god. Leave it. Let me leave this fucking thingy. I was trying to play with you earlier, but then I was like, oh, I had seen you was playing with somebody.
Ah, shit. I know, I ain't even see your call. I was just on the phone with Alana a minute ago.
She called me talking crazy.
No, she was just talking crazy on the phone. I had to cut into her ass, bro.
Alright. Tell me on the mic. Tell me on the mic.
Alright, wait. Shit, hold on. Alright, go ahead. Alright.
Alright, what you ever saying? Wait, hold on. Do I got this nigga muted? Oh no. Nigga, come on. What is going on? Join. It's 8:09. I've been on Fortnite all my whole life. No, I'm just fine. Earlier, I hear somebody with a revolver. Did I just press the PlayStation button like an idiot? Oh my god, I pressed the PlayStation button like an idiot. How do I keep doing that? Let's see. Alright, are you ready up, bro? What's up? Why this nigga? Dashing through the snow with a one-horse open sleigh. Over the hills we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha. What's up, nigga? Ready up.
Why would you tell me to join the party if you're not like, go talk?
I'm talk. Wait, is my mic muted? I'm talking.
It's not on.
Yes, it is.
Why don't I hear you?
Bro, same reason I don't hear you.
Oh, wait. No, look. In the party, the little speakerphone has a big X over it.
Nigga, you muted me.
Oh.
Dumb nigga.
Okay, you right.
Okay, yeah, wait.
This kid is dumb. Bro, we not even in the same game because you was looking at you fucking idiot. Alright, are you still in the party lobby thingy?
Yeah.
Alright, so what you saying? Oh, we always on the same page, Pat. I'm trying. Alright, hold on, let me turn my mic down because I'm loud. I know I am. Alright, what you saying though?
You wasn't that loud, but so she was like blah blah blah. Nietzsche was saying I wasn't even on the list, blah blah blah. I was like, Alana, if you wasn't even on the list, why are you complaining? Like, God, I was cutting into her ass. But then I was like, why can't girls? Why can't girls just give other girls compliments without having an attitude or without saying something wrong? And she was like, I'm telling you, she's fine. She's just not here to me. I was like, exactly. You can say she's fine, but why you gotta add that extra? Like, why can't you just be like, oh yeah, she's fine, blah blah blah. Why you gotta be like, oh yeah, she's fine, but her eyebrows, girl.
Who's she talking about?
Yeah, she fine as fuck, but her breath stank. She fine as fuck, but she ugly. What? Why she because she's cute?
Who is she talking about?
Cheyenne. That's why I was cutting into her. I'm like, Alana, with all due respect, Cheyenne is better. Okay.
Then I'm thinking, like, is you even on Mellow top 5? Top 3? Like, what is you saying? Girl start talking. She start talking tough. I'm like, bro, what's up with her? Where are you trying to go, Waylon? Exactly. She talking about why was I number 2? Because you're number 2. What is y'all mad for? And I'm about to put it again. And she's number 1, and she's going to be number 2. I don't get it. So I'm about to put it on my Snapchat right now. Well, not right now. After I get through looting. I'm about to put my top 5 list. I'm not even put it on there yet. She talking about you don't need to make no more lists because you had me messed up. Hey, land right here. Alana did. Land right here. Cause you get 2 chests, and I get 2 chests. Or you get 1 chest and I get 2. Because I just got a hunting rifle. And there's some bandages right here. Alright. Alright, here go your chest down here. Come here. I can't believe they just gave me a hunting rifle. They gave you the same thing. I want that boogie bomb though. Do you hear shooting? Or was that just me? It's nothing but bullets in here. Alright, come on. We can go loot Waylon now, like the maze. But yeah, bro, she texted me talking about you don't need to make no more your
Who said
list.
that?
A lot of the time your list had me messed up. Blah blah blah. Talking about because I
You
wasn't
can't
even
get
on
mad
it.
at his
And
facts.
then
That's
I
the
and then
weird.
I'm like I was like if you're not on my list that's saying something, right? Use your head. Then she talking about I'm like, do you have a brain? And then she talking about shut the F up. Then I'm like, then I was like, you can't get mad at me because you don't have a brain. Like, is you mad or
What
what?
up, Noah? What up, Noah?
Bro, we talking about something. Marcus, lead the party. It's like, dog.
Bro, somebody just tried to scare me, bro.
Yeah, me too.
Somebody just tried to scare me.
They did.
Nigga, you don't got nothing to say, won't. Shut up. It's like, no.
What they want from me? Never mind. Bitch ass Marcus, bitch. Marcus, you could have my nerves. No, I'm just fine. Alright. Marcus, lead the party and then you can join back in like 10 minutes.
Wow.
Because you're talking about something serious right now. Like super serious.
What?
Talking about something super serious right now.
You about to invite Jerry?
No, nigga. Marcus.
Save the world. What? You gotta save the world. No. Oh, no, nobody got it. And this dude tried to steal me something like $10 PSN card and he gave me the code. So then I gave him a fake code and then he gave me a fake code. I'm like, bro, so you really just lied? You lied too.
Alright, nigga. Hey, Mello, it's a mini over here for you.
I know he's gonna be bro. I really wanted you.
It's only $10. I'm saying save the world is only $10. Alright, can you lead the party though? Alright, I'm gonna invite you back too. What? Alright, sure. Nigga, can you lead up? This nigga being irritating, bro. Nigga, bro, can you just leave? What's the big deal? Okay, what the fuck? I was about to stop streaming anyway. I'm not inviting him back to the party. You know that, right?
Oh, you know that, right?
That nigga, bro, I swear to God, I hate him. That nigga is irritated. Had to make the party. Yes. Alright, hold on, let me stop the stream.